welcome to the next video. It's apparently not very much later because we just found the Arabian Night part, and we want to see what's around here. There's a lot. There's other stuff.
No.
Looks like there's another theatre, but we'll go see if there's the popcorn still. We're still looking for that. We found a Mickey Mouse popcorn. It was flavoured curry. Why would they do curry popcorn? That's just weird. There shouldn't be curry anything.
Curry next time.
No, not even curry. So, wow. That's a merry-go-round. Two-story merry-go-round. What do they call it? Carousel. Oh, food stalls. Right. So, we ended up back where we were. That's it at night time. That's the mountain.
It's pretty too.
We are still trying to find popcorn and exit. So, yeah. We found this really loud waterfall. See if it works in slow motion. Ready? Wow. It's very dark. It's very dark. Ooh. We're all out of luck. We can't find anything. It's cold, getting colder. It's time to go. It's time to go up the stairs. Let's explore. Alright, what's up the stairs? Big staircase. Oh, it gets bigger. Okay. Oh, that's not the end of it yet. It gets higher. Whew. One of the flying contraptions. Ooh, what's in here? No, that's here. Okay, so that was cool. It's just like a little exploring area, that staircase down. Let's look around this way more. There's the mountain we're closer to. So this is like explorer's den area sort of thing. Alright, that goes that way. That's a long way down with a pendulum.
That's cool.
Let's go check the pendulum out. We found an elevator.
It doesn't go up.
Yeah, no, we want to go down, Emma.
What?
There's nothing more up.
Oh.
This is the up. Ding dong. Ding dong. No? Oh, okay. Alright then. There's a button over here apparently. Alright, it's really dark here. This area is cool. You can steer the boats. Woohoo! Alright, and the castle. Which one's mine? I don't know which one's mine. Alright, forwards. Castle? I don't know. I can't tell. We'll try and work it out. Oh, I'll take this one. Alright. This one's navigation.
Oh, wait.
Oh, you put in $1.
Anyway, so you want to do it?
Right.
Oh my god, you get rain on.
Nah, I don't want to do that. Alright, we haven't seen the pendulum yet. This is more explorer stuff. Here's the pendulum. Okay. Here we go. Alright. This is it. Have a read. Okay. Alright. Hang on, I'm going to do a quick time lapse of the pendulum. Okay, moving on. What's over here? Illusion room. You're about to witness an artistic painting style known as anamorphic painting, which appears distorted unless viewed from a particular angle.
So when you look at it, the floor,
Okay.
as
So as you can see, it looks three-dimensional from this angle, not two-dimensional. Although to you guys it's probably the same if you're looking at it on a two-dimensional screen. Alright, I think we made the way up. Wow. This place is really easy to get turned around, messed around, and not know where you're going. Meaning, leaving is a lot harder. Oh, we found the shipping area. We were not meant to find this. Aha, way out. The volcano is flaming.
Flaming volcano?
See if we can show ya. Maybe. Get louder. Here it comes. Maybe.
And it's finished. That looks really pretty.
Yeah, that might be it.
One more big one. Grand finale.
Oh, here it comes. There we go.
Child crying.
No, he said yay.
Oh, really? Yay! I thought he went.
Alright. Way out. We're still trying. Maybe this way? I don't know now. Alright, we almost made it out. There's the globe at night time. Still pretty. And then we've got to find our way out. Find our way back to the train station. The tram, train station. And then dinner. Meet up with the boys for dinner. And then bed for early day tomorrow. Okay, so we found the boys and we ended up at this place. It's this place here, so feel free to translate it yourself because we can't. Hey? No, it's the front page.
No, that's the back page.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure. That's the front page.
Nah. Alright, that place. Pretty good. What was your verdict on the one you had?
My seafood?
Yeah.
It was alright.
Did you get the picture of the
Seafood
first?
was this one. That one. David, Emma and I had this one. And it was pretty good. It's pretty good. Emma's still eating hers because they forgot to order it.
Why did you gotta put it on me right as I'm about to open my mouth?
And then Tunis had, I can't show you on the menu, but Tunis had pork ramen. And he thought it was good.
Very good.
I did not like the dumplings.
They're alright.
I like the other ones, but not these ones.